The future of P-pop is bright, and today we acknowledge a group making waves in the industry. Our awardee has burst onto the scene with powerful songs that showcase their stunning vocals and addictive dance routines. Their infectious energy and enthusiasm make them a force to be reckoned with, leaving fans eager for more. This Golden Laurel Award recognizes their exceptional talent and their ability to ignite a passionate fan base within the P-pop scene. The Golden Laurel for Breakthrough P-pop Group goes to Beanie.
Mabuhay! We are Beanie!
Gusto po namin magpasalamat po sa Golden Laurel, the Batangas Province Media Awards po sa pagbibigay po ng Breakthrough P-pop Group of the Year po sa aming Beanie. Sorry po, hindi kami personal na makakuha po mismo ng award, pero grabe po ang pasasalamat po namin sa support ng pinapakita niyo po.
We're so very grateful and we hope to visit Batangas soon.